Hey gang, it's me, it's Brenda. Everybody's at my house for the Maymay Christmas party. I'm so excited. We're starting here in the foyer. I think everybody wanted to see the house, so I got Christmas trees everywhere. We got lots going on. Of course, you have to have a manger scene when you come in. That manger scene's probably older than I am. But I have one important thing that I love here. I made this first, last, and only needlepoint I've ever done.
Did you say that manger scene's older than you?
Yeah. Probably.
Lord, that's an old manger scene.
Isn't it old? Ooh, it is. And as far as the handicraft things, this was made out of an old quilt. See? I have all the different things. I could talk for hours and hours about my Christmas stuff. I'm a Christmas girl. I love anything Christmas. So let's go to the living room and see everybody. Come on.
And then you can get a bunch of B-roll and just put it over us talking and being loud and stuff.
Yeah. So, tell me what you want to know.
Just kind of go like this, and here's the living room, Jordan, have a look around, and just let him have a look around.
Okay, here's the living room. We've got everything all ready for Christmas. Just have a look around. If you see anything interesting, Jordan, you think, oh, well, I need to know about that. Just stop and say.
You can see it. I can see it on the
Oh, this is the new thing I made this year. These are all salt and pepper shakers and rhinestones and glitter. And they're put together. This one's a little elf with a little Christmas tree. And look at his little fat bottom. And the top. And you put little faces on them. They are so fun to make. You just use all your scrap jewelry and any little piece of lace and a bit of glue and paint your little face and you got it.
Jordan, you have to get the piece on ours at the top.
How do they make them upside down?
Oh.
Now, I do want her to tell you about her Christmas tree. So, in a second, go over there and let her tell you about the Christmas tree, and then we'll go to lunch. Look at that. You got to get a good shot of that piece on earth.
You're just looking around wild and all of it.
All of the horns, antlers, big and little, were my dad's. Either harvested or he killed them.
Not that one.
He lived in Walker County, but he hunted a lot down in, what is down?
We're in Sumter County a lot and down in Demopolis.
Yeah. My tree. I love my tree. This year, and this is the only year, my grandkids did it. Bryson and Brax put the ornaments on there, but they didn't put the beads on. Right, Bryson?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything on here has a meaning. Every place we've ever been, all the grandkids, everything that the kids made, my kids made when they were little, and everything the grandkids made is on here. And these came from Washington. They're the official ornaments they have every year. Bucky's sister used to live there and work there. There's my high school. And then every year, Briar puts all of us girls always dress in our little t-shirts, and that one Mama tried, and I did try with them, but it doesn't work. Of course, I'm a camera buff. These were my grandmother's. I have 5 or 6 of those left. All of us grandkids probably tore them up when we were little, but I have those. And then these angels, there was one for every child, and anytime anyone walks, they flutter and they flip. My mama said when she dies, I gotta make her one, but I didn't. Bucky's afraid of spiders. There's a spider. So, but every country we've ever been to, we have Ireland, we have Scotland, we have, this is in Spain, we have Russia, I have an ornament from most everywhere, not everywhere, but most everywhere. And this was New York City when we were there for New Year's. But everything on here, this was Briar's. As you can see, it's very rat-eaten. The mice got it one year. The camels from Morocco. But everything on here has a meaning.
$30 cash in here, but not one person will get 30, but there is money in here, and there's candy and all kinds of goodies. So here's what happens. When you have it, you're trying to tear as fast as you can. I don't know about this tablecloth.
Take it off.
Well, I'm afraid it'll pull it.
Look. This won't hurt your table, but if that gets caught
No,
with
we
it.
played it 3 or 4 times on that
Okay,
table.
so you're gonna roll the dice like Mandy's
I'm gonna roll
rolling for doubles while I'm trying to peel. Okay. If she gets doubles, she yells doubles, and you have to stop and move it. But whatever came out while you were doing it is yours.
Cool.
Got it?
So,
Anybody that wants to play your ball, which way are we going?
I'll let you be next.
Oh, this way.
Don't worry.
Counterintuitive.
Don't do good.
All right.
All right, hold on, let me get to where we can.
Hey, this one's center.
All right, Jamie.
Yeah, I'm on the end.
All right, ready?
Come on, Taylor! Don't let him get it! Yes, Taylor!
Don't let your fiance beat you.
The pressure.
Shaking. You're shaking.
Taylor!
It's just Don General Serrero.
Goes!
Don't tear it. Watch him scream doubles. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You got it. You better hurry up, Jordan. Don't tear it. Don't tear it. Dang!
You're a winner.
Hey! Hey, I got a